So today we're going to build random code generator app through JavaScript. If you see, when I click this button, it gets a new codes and its author. So let's build this. So we come in Visual Studio Code and we have this image which we can use in background or body. Okay, let's create our files. Index.html, main.js and file.css. Okay, boilerplate, title, random code generator. Generator, okay, document, link, style, CSS, view link, style CSS. Okay, and in body, select src main.js. Okay, we need font. So for font, we're going to grab it from Google Font. Okay, so we are using Roboto font, and you use whatever you want to use. Roboto 400 regular. Okay, copy this link and paste in your paste it here. We comment out Google fonts links. Okay, here we go. New. Now, and in container we have two sections, top and bottom. In top we have a title, that is a string, and in which it's a random codes generator. Okay, then in bottom we have first code. Okay, first code h2, and if we can write a simple code. Your precaution is better than yours. Okay, and a span for author we can write anything, write down a b c. For examples we can write abc, give it a class of author and class of code. Okay, then we have button with the class btn, in which we can write new. Okay, just save it, and I have images. Okay, then we can style it. Preset, margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, body width for body width 100%, width 100, vh, we remove width, no need, it's so simple. Okay, display flex, line item center, justify content center. We can use this because we want our code in between screen. Okay, code and the background url images. Okay, for the image background repeat no repeat, center, center, and cover. Then we have container. Container, we can give it width of 350 pixels, okay, and height of 300 pixels. Display flex, click direction column, and we want justify content center. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, come to our Chrome browser. Now you can see we have our random code generator and codes, author, and we have buttons. Let's style it. Okay, we have to change 350 to 400 pixels and height is equal to 350 pixels. Display flex direction column, now justify content center, flex direction column, and gap. In we have a two sections in container, top and bottom. For the gap, we use 30 pixels. Okay, after container, we have top section. In top, width 100%, width 100%, background color 3, border 1 pixel solid, white color, white. In top, we have H3. Okay, and padding. Padding 10 pixels from top and bottom and 12 pixels from left and right. Font weight bold. That is one thing. Text align center. And we go in top. After top, we have bottom. In bottom, we're gonna be 100% height 250 pixels. Okay, height 250 pixels. And display flex, align item center, place direction column. And the gap between them is 30 pixels. Okay, in bottom, background color. Background color, which is white. And after bottom, we have code. Code, okay. For the code, we're gonna write padding. Not for code, for background. बॉटम में हम लोग दे सकते हैं पैडिंग of padding of 10 pixels top and bottom and 50 pixels from left and right. Code font size 1 gram. Okay, color will be this. Right. And after the code we have author and author font size 1.3 gram. Okay, color coral and blue coral. Letter spacing 0.3 gram. 0.3 gram. Okay, color white. Like no color is a coral. Sorry. After this we have a button. Class name BTN. And we're gonna sorry BTN. Then we get padding of 10 pixels top and bottom, 2 pixels left and right. Okay, background color which is this color will be white. Border none, border radius 5 pixels. Okay, border radius 5 pixels. Cursor pointer, and we have one thing dot btn active. When we click on button, its background color will be changed, and that is background color light sea green. Okay, now we can go and watch how it's look. we are, it's looking good, but this looks different. It is carved and board background में shadow. Let's just style this. Let's style our bottom section little more. We have border none, but border radius would be 15 pixels. And one more thing, box shadow 0 in x-axis, y-axis 0, and 15 pixels. That's okay. And one thing, flex item center and justify content also center. Yeah, let's see. Here we go. It's look good. This is our final product, and this is, yeah, it's looking good. It's good, but I think size is different. No problem. Okay, let's start with our JavaScript. We come our JavaScript part. Okay, firstly we select our code, author, and button. Let's const code is equal to document dot query selector code. Two more. Second one is author. One is button. Then we have one thing. We have array of codes which consist of I think 10 or 12 codes, different codes. So I'm gonna grab this. Okay, let's grab it. Now paste it here. We get this codes, and in codes array we have different types of codes which consist ID, code, and author. Okay, let's build our function. Then we want btn dot add event listener. Whenever we click on this button, we run this function. Okay, we run this function in which firstly let gets some maths. Okay, let random is equal to math dot floor and math dot random multiple puts dot length. We got these codes and its length. Okay, its code dot length. Let's start. We want what that is this code. Okay, what? Okay, what dot inner inner text is equal to तो क्या करेंगे कोट्स लेंगे कोट्स इसके अंदर random which means whatever the random number is which is here and the random numbers quotes. Suppose that we got 12, then it's take this code. Okay, the dot code, this codes and this code. Okay, and one more, we want this author then codes then random number and author, whatever the author is. Okay, now we can go and see it's working or not. It's a simple btn. Whenever we click on btn, we add event listener. We click on button, it's get random number. It's calculate a random number from these numbers. Okay, and then this random number codes and its author display on our website. Let's check out. Okay, here we come. It's our current project and it's our final project. It's working. So let's get into here. If we click on this, yeah, it's come with different codes and different author. So yeah, we got it. Thank you for watching.